So, what is a limited liability company? Well, a limited liability company, or an LLC, is first the most common choice of business entity for entrepreneurs, small businesses, even businesses that are planning to grow to a pretty substantial size. And the reason for that is that every member, which is what we legally call the owners of an LLC, every one of those members enjoys limited liability protection. So, as an individual, you're not responsible for the debts and obligations of the business, but you're still allowed to participate in the management of the business, at least to the extent that it's allowed by that particular LLC's operating agreement. So if an LLC incurs a debt, then the LLC is responsible for that debt and not the actual members who own the LLC. So the LLC is treated as its own separate legal person that's responsible for its debts and other obligations. And that's true even if the LLC only has one member. So even if the LLC only has that one owner, the LLC is still a separate legal entity. So it should have its own bank account, it should have its own tax ID number. It's completely separated from you, Mrs. Entrepreneur, and your personal bank accounts. Those contracts and leases are all signed by the LLC instead of by you personally. Agreements are entered into with the LLC instead of you as an individual. And those funds that are raised, if you've got friends or family members who want to invest in your business or loan money to the business, they're loaned to the business, to the LLC, and not to you personally.